What is up, guys? And in today's video, we're playing Minecraft.
Guys, we're doing a video. And in today's video, we're back with this thing.
Yay!
Playing I Am Cat multiplayer.
Yay!
Don't mind all the fishes. Don't mind all the fishes. We didn't do it.
Anyways, hold on.
Cook faster. I didn't cook.
It's gone. Oh wait, there's no more fish, bro. There's nothing to live for. Ah! Help me.
Anyways, guys, he's now dead.
Yeah?
Why won't these break? Because we are with Phoenix. If you hear anything in the background, I do have YouTube playing. So I just didn't feel like turning it off. I'm just cutting stuff up right now, guys. I probably should have seen that.
Okay, I am back, bro. I had to go give my cats food.
But what cat?
No, I'm talking about my IRL cats. Whee!
You have cat.
Whee!
Well, guys, he is now dead again. I cut up everything. How do those not break? No, don't get up here. I'm coming, brother.
Yay! Wait.
Hi.
Hey. Okay.
He looked at me weird.
Oh wait, I'm supposed to fall. Whee! Oh, I didn't fall.
Oh,
I'm alive.
Oh wait, I forgot. I can't fly.
Whee! Oh wait. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot. I can't. Wait, why am I levitating?
Yo, I have breaking news.
Hold on. I'm dead. Oh hi. Let me get my chair.
Breaking news.
Let me get in the chair. Oh no, what's your breaking news, sir?
There was oxygen found in the air.
I have nothing to live for. Yo, dude, I got some breaking.
Wait.
I got some breaking.
That's not how that works.
I got some breaking news, bro.
Oh what? I'm stuck.
Where are you? Oh, you fell. Oh my god, you scared me, bro. Yo, I got some breaking news.
Okay, I'll build there in about 10 minutes.
Get in here now, it's urgent, dude.
Cut on, stop.
Oh my god, I'll come to you then.
I'm unstuck.
Okay.
Do you want to cut your board to that?
Anyways. Testing, 1, 2, 3, is this working?
Meow.
Get in your chair.
Yeah.
Get over it.
Now I have the mic.
I have breaking news. No, it's really urgent. Get in the chair. Get in the chair.
Oh man.
A piano has been silent. So silent. Calm down. Anyways, a piano has been found behind me. Wait, there's a piano behind me. And I'm allergic to pianos.
I have breaking news.
Hi. Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to fall.
Breaking news.
Hi.
Hey!
I'm coming, brother.
That was really nice.
Bro, it projectiled me backwards.
Breaking news.
Ooh, what is it? Ooh, fish. Hold on.
There was music. Found a music store.
No.
I'm allergic to air.
Yeah.
Wait, that's not how that works. Wait. Help. I'm stranded.
Wait, where are you? What the? Why are you? Oh, hi.
Hi.
Oh, yeah, I'm allergic to red.
You must catch a ball.
Hold on, I got breaking news, dude. Come here. Alright, anyways.
I jumped over.
Anyways. I have found Jolly Ranchers under your chair. But they're poisonous and you just ate them. Wait, I also ate them.
Help.
Why are you with the
Phoenix,
floor?
Help.
Oh, hi.
Hey, brother. I can't get out.
Wait, yeah, we
wait.
can.
I think you made me stutter.
I can't.
Oh, wait. Oh, I fixed.
Hold on, if I...
Where are you going now?
Oh, I fixed it.
Where are you
Oh, now.
Wee! Yabba dabba doo.
Bye-bye.
Bro, I said goodbye, cruel world. Anyways, let's go play some basketball, dude.
I have a cannon.
Anyways,
Do you mind catch your
let's go
ball?
play some oh, I about just knocked over my leg.
I'm here.
It was like, Megan. That's literally the... oh. Yeah. No, hey.
I'm doing it. Oh.
You're not Kobe, bruh. Hey.
Kobe.
Okay, wait. It might help.
Kobe.
Wait.
Kobe. How did I still not hit it? Kobe.
I bet. Hold on. Wait. I can hit it. Trust.
Nah.
Bro, really just said goodbye. I just got 2 points, bro.
What I really meant to say is, I'll be the fella who just now on the step.
Where are you? Oh,
coming.
hi.
You better give me the ball.
I don't know where it is. Oh, frick, wait, I'm being chased. But wait. Oh, wait.
Ow, I stabbed myself.
Ooh. Watch this.
Okay,
Wait,
guys,
I'm gonna make a dunk.
We're gonna start trying to do 1 or 2 videos a day now. That was a beautiful dunk.
Wait, what? Oh.
Where'd the ball go?
I have it.
How?
Oh, this is so hard to do.
Give me the ball.
And when you... Ouchies. Yeah. Anyways.
Wait.
Idiot.
Ow.
Idiot.
Nope.
Oh. Anyways, I'm gonna crawl up here. I wanna see what's up here. Oh, the ball.
I'm trying to speed climb it. It's not easy though.
Dang, I made another dunk.
What's up here? Oh, a flippy lighty thingy.
Oh. Oh, dude, this hurts my shoulder so bad. Oh,
Blue.
the way I'm dunking this hurts my shoulder. Oh.
They saw my room for a second. Hope they don't pause it.
Ooh.
Drink it.
What is it?
I missed that.
Where'd the ball go? Oh, it's right here.
I don't know. I got thrown off the edge. When I said Callie and Bella, what I really meant to say was making it up. What I really meant to say is I'll be the fella sitting there on the stella.
Wait, I'm gonna deflate the basketball.
Hey. Put the kniffy down. Oh. Thank you.
Ah, wait, I stepped.
Oh no, I'm dead.
Wait, what? Why can't I grab? There we go. What the, dude? Where'd you go?
Hi.
Oh, the high. Yeah.
Oh no, you killed me.
What did I even? Oh. Dude, your cat was like on its legs, like a human. Oh no. Do you need the room code? Is your recording still good? Alright, well, silly side fish had crashed. Has crashed, guys. You wanna do a different game? Void and sorcery? Yeah, but I uninstalled Dome Shot. I don't know. I know it. I don't wanna. I have some. Hold on, wait. I got some stuff for you, bro. I don't know. Let me scroll. Let me scroll to my list. We could play. Oh no. Gorilla tag? Okay. No, I'm gonna sit on my twig until. Bye. Ooh. I'll do. Okay, here we go. Dude, I might have gotten banned though. Tomorrow. Yeah, and we'll also be. Oh yeah, we should tell them what we're doing again. So basically, guys, we are doing 2 to 3 videos every day. Yeah, I'm telling mine that. Alright, the code is 1987. Whatever. Yes, I know. You're not loaded in yet. You need to. I know. Isn't there like something you need to like? Don't you have to like buy hand tracking? You don't? There, like no for Gorilla Tag. I think you do. Dude, a window. Anyways, I'm on regular controller right now. Yeah? Okay. Love you too. See. See, I have. What? I don't know. There might have been multiple updates you missed. Oh. What is this? Yeah? What? There, I will be back.
Guys, I just dropped my controller. I think Phoenix is it.
Okay, I'm back.
Hey guys, are you in super infection?
No. Super cat. Who's in my server? Wait, is that you? Here, I'm gonna hang up. Oh, silly starfish!
How are you flying?
Remember?
That's not how that works.
Come here. I'll get you something. Ooh. I know, I'm just hacking, bro. But Fro, come over here.
I lost my skills of this game.
Okay. Me. Here.
Blinded. Long arms?
Yep.
Please. Well, I'm better at the game now.
Ow. Yo, wait, where'd you go? Oh, You're using it wrong. Come here. Here. Wait, did you? Oh, wait, you did. Huh. Watch, I'm gonna spin. Hey.
Kind of wall off.
But dude, watch. I'm gonna start spinning. I can wall hop. See, look.
Ow. Punched my chair.
Dude, you are so quiet on here.
Help.
Help. Yeah. I fell, bro. Where'd you go? Hi. Watch this, watch this. I'm gonna start wall climbing. Oh, frick, I missed.
Can I still? I don't know if I can still do it or not. Hold up. It's been a while. I used to be able to do this amazing.
Wait.
Like, before I started YouTube. Wow, I cannot do that. Yeah, I cannot do that anymore.
Dude, wait, I'm on the top.
I just kidnapped the bug.
So is fish.
Hi, Doug.
What?
I kidnapped the dog.
I fell. Hold on.
Is that dog part too?
Come here, come here. Come over to the board thing.
I want to kidnap dog and dog.
Come over here.
Help. Help.
Come here.
What? Hey! Stole my long arms. Now it's gonna take me like 10 minutes.
Here. I wanted to.
Give me a second one too.
I can't. I can only have 3 spawned at a time.
Yeah, that's one.
Dude, it is so quiet in this game. Let's go to city. Yeah, you don't have any. Oh, frick, I did not mean to do that. Just harmonica, bro. Also, if you know who Monica is, then you'll know exactly what we're talking about. But for those who don't know, there's this game called Doki Doki Literature Club. And I'm basically...
Guys, if you're new to this channel, I just want to say hello. I still haven't really done an introduction video.
We probably should do it. Why do I have stars coming out of me? What the?
I just got flung off.
Dude, I have stars coming out of me. Oh.
Oh, yeah, so do I.
What's going on? Oh, I thought something overpowered. Oh, I found an
Help!
Oh, help! I'm in the wall. Okay.
I'm trying to get up here with long arms.
Hi.
Wait.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, hold on. I'm making it easier. I'm using my left hand.
What the? Where'd you go? Oh, hi.
Help.
Hey, hi. You know you can use the hand that doesn't have the long arm, right?
Yeah, I suck with my hands.
Dude, we should play hide and seek.
Okay,
Dude,
Monkey.
I move about 2 centimeters per hour.
Help! Well, as you guys can see, I just got kidnapped. Help! Where'd you go? Hello? Dude, I got kidnapped by the... Wait, come here.
Dude, you got rid of my long arm.
I did? Hey, probably because I got kidnapped. Hold on. Take this one. I'll just get a new one in a bit. Anyways, come here. We're gonna do floors lava.
I am the ultimate mini games kid right now.
Hold on. I'm gonna go get another long arm. Tell me if it gets readiers.
Help.
Tell me if it gets readiers, dude. Silly sight. Wait, did it get readier long arm? No, okay, still. Yeah? I said I was just gonna make me a couple hot pockets.
Hot pockets.
Alright. Chili cheese fries, I guess.
Bye-bye.
Anyways, I'm coming up here, dude. Ah, help. I can't, dude, I have the same curse as you now. I can't get up to stump.
When you get up here, you're just gonna see me flying.
They see me flying, they're gonna be hating.
They see me flying. They lying.
Hi. Oh god. Ah, whoa.
We should go to my favorite map.
Come here. Let's go to Floor's Lava.
What?
Yeah. Floor's Lava. It's a game mode.
Whoa, why is there so many more things? Hold up. All I remember is Stump City and Ghost Reactor on the
Yeah, you do it.
push button.
Dun dun. Oh, what? Whoa. I can't get out. Help.
Try getting out.
I just told you I can't.
We're in Stump.
Wait, what? How? Dude, I'm in the elevator wall.
Dude, this is just... Why is that boarded up?
How?
Okay.
Wait, I'm
I'm
coming. Look outside the map.
Oh, is that a volcano?
What?
Maybe that... Are we safe?
Okay.
Are we in a safe area?
Alright.
Don't go in it!
Do-do-do-do-do-do. It's quite toasty in here.
Let me test it. Get this off my arm.
Oh, I see what you gotta do.
How toasty
Dude.
is it? Quite toasty.
Hold on.
Mentos?
Oh, wait. They actually
What
react.
did you do?
It reacts. It's increasing, bro.
Oh my. It's gonna explode. I love grabbing meatballs and putting them in volcanoes.
It's like a rock or something. Whoa, okay. I'm getting like flung. Ow.
So what are we supposed... If this music is copyright also,
I don't hear any music.
there's music playing for me.
There's not for me.
So what do
It
we...
shouldn't be.
This is toasty.
I don't think it's actually doing anything.
Why is it called the floor of lava then?
I don't know. Oh, dude, it's about to spill over.
I'm running.
My bad.
Crash. Ooh, okay, it didn't crash. But I just...
Is your game also like freezing up though?
Yes.
Yes.
Miss.
I'm in the volcano now. Oh, we gotta fill it up constantly. Oh, what the heck happened to your voice?
I don't know.
No, like you sound like a robot for a second.
Oh, it's exploded.
Move, move.
Dude, it's almost overflowed.
Oh.
What'd you do? What did you do?
Hey, we gotta put some more.
Okay. That makes sense.
Oh, look at the floor.
Oh, that's not good. Is that good?
I don't think so. Look. Oh, bro.
It's no wonder it's called floor lava.
The floor is lava. Literally. Wait, I should go. Wait, come with me. Let's go get thrusters. You have them too. I think.
Do I have enough to get them?
You should.
How do I can't take this.
There's nothing on your hand.
I have a long arm.
It says, for me, it shows there's nothing on your hand.
Thruster. Oh no.
Oh, wait, do you not have it?
No.
Come here.
Also, the lava's right there.
Take that.
What does this do?
Go go.
I don't know how to do.
Wait, what happens if I touch the lava? Oh,
I don't know. Dude, how do I use this?
oh. I think I'm dying. You press your triggers.
No.
Ugh.
I'm pressing my triggers and nothing's happening.
Just get to. Yeah, you gotta let it charge.
No, literally, it goes for 2 milliseconds.
Silly Cyfish, you gotta let it charge. Okay, I'm in stump, bro. It can't reach me here. Yo, yeah. See? You gotta let them charge. Dude, it's starting to reach. Oh no. Oh, dude, stop being safe. I'm up and away. Oh no. Oh.
Guys, I think this is what it means on $1.
Dude, we shouldn't have done this, bro. Oh. Oh. Dude. Whew. Okay.
Why is it?
Bro, we shouldn't have done that. Oh my god. I see you.
Yeah,
Look above you. Yo?
Bug.
Where are you?
Fish.
Oh, hi.
Fish.
Use your... Dude, you have to hold your hands above the lava for them to charge. You also have to swim. Okay, now use them. You gotta hold your trigger. Yeah, like that. Oh, you overdid it. Oh, wait, where'd you go? Oh.
Charge.
Okay, now just, yeah. Wait, no. Where'd you go? Oh, no. Where did you
I'm fishing.
Here, let me hop down here. Is it cozy? Ouchies. Oh,
No.
owie. Dude, I've never seen this before though. Alright,
This is
use
cool.
it, use it. Wait, hop on the tree
Oh,
branch.
it's lowering. Oh, it's lowering. It's lowering, slowly but surely.
Wait, the
We're going to
lava's...
the ground again.
Oh, it's
It's going
lowering.
down.
Ooh. Dude, I'm at the bottom. Help.
I'll be down there in a minute. What's there?
Oh,
Made it. Hold on, we survived.
here. I'll help you get the thingies, the springs that you need. Look, there's a
I'm
spring.
gonna put
There's a spring.
some rocks in the
So,
volcano.
here's a spring. Come here. I'll show you where you need to put it. Come with me. Come here. Put the spring in here. Oh. I didn't mean to do that, I swear. Alright, we gotta go find some springs, bro. But first...
Let's activate the volcano.
I just hope my thrusters don't start acting up. But yeah, your thrusters can't charge while in liquid.
That's stupid.
I agree. But they do work. And I guess the safest spot is the top of stump.
Well, how do you expect me to get to the top of the ground?
Use your thing.
What's that thing?
Thrusters.
Wait, it's charged. What's a thruster?
And then whenever the volcano starts, you want to... Okay. When the volcano starts, you want to do this. Come here. You want to go to stump without using your thruster. And then thruster up. Dude, it's starting to...
That's fine.
Made it.
That's just Timmy. That's just Timmy. Is that bad?
Hey,
Just keep putting them in.
it's time. Dude, come. Over here. Oh. Owie. Hold on, you probably have to get up there a little bit, let it charge fully, and then... Help me.
What is it? Is that bad?
Bro, okay.
Save it.
Oh, what just happened? Okay, and then... Oh, sorry. Did you...
What?
Wait. Hop onto this tree branch.
Alright, it's charging. I can't get my long arm off.
There is no long arms there.
Yes, there is. It's right on my arm.
Try and use it then. What the what?
I hate you.
Oh, you're gonna fall again. Dang, guys, I think we lost him.
Brother! Brother, save me.
Gloop, 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 gloop. I'm a fish.
Well, done.
Gloop, gloop, gloop,
You're the fish guy.
gloop, 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 gloop. Hey, I'm not a fish, no. Gloop, 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 gloop.
Yay!
No, they got him. We need to.
Super Saiyan
we
out
need
of
to-
lava. Charge. Charge quicker.
No!
That's charging.
Help! Gloop, 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 gloop. I'm a fish. Gloop, gloop. Glow, 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 glow. Whoa.
What?
Ah! Glow, 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 glow.
I made it.
Help
Someone
me.
went safe from all the lava.
Hi.
No!
Oh, dude. Oh, oh. I'm under the water, please. Oh. Oh, hi. I'm not a fish no more. Frick. Glow, glow.
Well, guys, we survived this time. Thanks.
What the?
No.
What? Glow, glow, glow. Help me. Oh, oh, oh.
Hey guys, I think we're good.
Glow, glow, glow.
Anyway, guys, we're good.
Hi. Why are you levitating?
Hey.
Why are you levitating? There's nothing. Look, nothing's there. What the?
I have a long arm.
What? You know what? Hi. Nothing's there. Oh frick! Ah! Glow, 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 glow. Glow. Meep,
It's lowering.
meep, meep, meep,
Safe, guys.
meep.
Beep, beep, bum, beep.
Nah, just meep. Ah, glow. Oh, that's me.
So guys, this goes down. I'm probably this is gonna be where I end today's video.
All right, that is probably gonna be it for today's video, guys.
This will be the last video of today. I will do one tomorrow.
Yeah. So once this lava fully goes down, me and Soul Cyfish are gonna end our video. And goodbye.